So you guys, this is my grandma's old recipe that helps you so very much, you guys. Okay, this is an healer. This what I have here is black pepper. This will help heal all the sicknesses in your body. And let me show you another one. And this is it. So what I have here is mustard seed. This is mustard seed. And then let me show you another one. And then what I have here is my glove. So you guys, these three ingredients would help you live longer. Okay, it will help you live longer, live a more healthy. So you're gonna live a more healthy and long life using just these three spices in different things. Okay, it helps in so many different illnesses that I'm going to be telling you and showing you it. This is an healer. Okay, all right, so the first one that I'm going to be showing you in here is black pepper. And do you know that black pepper helps so much in so many? It's actually a spice, you guys. Okay, it's a spice that you can use it to prepare something, food, but it helps so much because it is a healer. Let me show you how you're going to be using all of those great spices, you know, to live a longer life, cleanse your heart, okay, pumping more blood into your body, and also to stay away from infections and disease. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. For the black pepper, you're going to take just a little of it. You guys, for this particular ingredient, okay, you can order it online. Anything I show you here, you can order it online. Okay, it's actually very easy to get online, although I bought this in our local market. That is why it's in this bowl, and then I labeled it myself, black pepper. Okay, all right, so you're going to take just a little quantity of it, just like so. Yeah, and also you're going to be needing to use gloves. Now, have you actually heard of gloves before? Now you should know all of the amazing, you know, health benefits that gloves helps you with. Like, gloves is an healer. It helps both internally and externally. Okay, it helps for the eyesight, it helps for the heart, for the lungs, and all of that. So what you're gonna need also is just a little of the gloves, because we're literally combining all of this together. Okay, so watch the video to the very end so you can see how I'm gonna be doing all of this. Okay, so my black pepper and my gloves, and then again you're equally going to be needing mustard seed, black mustard seed. There's white mustard seed and there's black mustard seed, so whichever one you can lay your hand on, it's also very, very good. Either the white one or this black one, but me, I prefer this black one because I'm black, so anything that is black, you know, to me it works better. So I'm going to be taking just a little of my mustard seed. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to do. we're gonna blend all of this together. And then the black pepper, sorry. And then the cloves. So the 3 ingredients in here, I hope you guys can remember: my mustard seed, cloves, and black pepper. So this is what I'm going to be using to blend it: my ginger. Now ginger is a great medicinal ingredient that helps the body so very much. So mixing ginger with all of those spices would help so very much. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to be alright, so then cut that into tiny pieces. Okay, so then you're gonna put that into a blender. Then you put in water to blend it. Okay, so I'm going to be putting just a little water to blend it for now, but when we want to cook it, I'll add up a little more water. Alright you guys, so done blending. So this is how it is. So now what you're going to do here, you're going to transfer this into a pot. Okay, so I'm going to be adding water so that you can go and cook it. I'm going to get a pot and then I'm going to transfer it inside of my pot. So here, now I'm going to go boil it and then I will be right back. Okay you guys, so this is it. After boiling it for like 3 to 4 minutes, then sieve it out. Okay, and now sieve it out into a jar or something. So for this particular one, you're gonna be taking just a little at a time. You're not gonna take all of this. Okay, you're not going to take all of this, so you're going to take just a little. Okay, just like this. This is what you're going to take. So if you have made this quantity, then you're going to be taking just a little like this. Okay, just this little after boiling it. Okay, when it's cooled down, you take just little like this, and this would literally help. Okay, so yeah, you keep this. Don't take a full glass. All right, just take a little. You can put it inside your jug. All right, and then you keep it. Okay, and then you take a little every day, once every day, until your pain, until you know you are feeling really good. In case you're feeling sick, you guys, and you want something that would heal you up without taking medicine, you can take your drink, your prepared herbal healing drink, and then you just take a little. So let me take just a little of this. So you take just a little, just like that. Okay, for one day, once in a day. You can take it any time of the day, be it in the morning, afternoon, or in the evening. Okay, make sure you boil it and let it cool down. This will help you so much if you have liver, kidney, intestinal worms, you have malaria, typhoid, and all of that. You can help yourself with this. This is a general miracle healing drink that works wonders for you. Okay, so go give this a try. However, you can order all of these things online. Okay, and then you can get them at your doorstep. Okay, all right, you guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye, guys, and stay blessed. God bless you.